Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So I wanted to do another ASMR video where I am brushing my hair, and I'm going to throw in like a little hair tutorial at the end. I know I've had a lot of requests for this since the first video went up a couple days ago, so what I'm going to try and do is do at least one ASMR video a week. So bear with me as I'm learning this stuff, as I'm figuring this stuff out, and hopefully you enjoy. Okay, so I've had requests for me to put my hair in buns, or a bun, so I figured I would try and do two in my hair. We'll see how this works, because my hair is really long and it's really thick. So one thing I haven't seen anybody do in a while, let me try and get my hair separated. I just messed up my line. The brush grabbed way too much hair. Now, because all of my bobby pins and stuff are put away, I'm just going to use a rubber band. If you have shorter hair and you want to do this, I would suggest using the little no pull and no break hair ties, the little plastic silicone ones, and then using bobby pins to secure your hair. And basically I'm just twisting it and then holding the top so the bun doesn't go up. I want it to go out versus up. Kind of like an Anne of Avonlea from Anne of Green Gables kind of hairstyle. And then I'm going to try and flip it inside out to tuck the bottom in. And now I'm going to take the bottom up on me. Now, if you had bobby pins, in order to get this to look prettier, you could put bobby pins in from all directions, kind of going up. Same with the back. You would just use bobby pins to hold it in place, but because my hair, you can literally tie it in knots and it'll fall out. So my hair is very coarse. It doesn't hold, like I can put my hair in a braid and it'll stay, but you can literally just take my hair and tie it in knots after knots after knots, and then you can just watch it. As soon as I let go of it, it unravels. So this side I don't quite like as much because it's like sticking out, but I've over directed my hair and it's unhappy about it. And you can always do a zigzag part and put it up so that way you've got more of a design on it, or you can lower this over any line that you've got just by simply just kind of tugging on it and then making sure that this piece up here is a little bit more loose, so it's kind of like more flowing like this, so that you've got some volume. And then that way, and if you need to, you can always back comb your hair, and that way you'll end up with a little bit more volume at the root, and then it will be easier to smooth over, so you don't end up with stuff like this. Now with me, all I would have to do is get my hands wet. You want it to have a chance to dry a little bit in the position that you want it, because when you get your hair wet, the hydrogen bonds break. So when you let it dry, it kind of like holds in whatever position you put it in. And if it was me, I would put a bobby pin right here on my head to kind of hold that until it dries. But even without using product in my hair, and I'm pushing down and forward when I do that. And you can see the natural wave in my hair. It almost looks like a finger wave. And my bun is relocated. It's not pretty, it's not perfect, but for something that's quick and easy, if you wanted to spend more time on it, I would do the bottom first, clip it into place, that way you don't have to fight with it, and then work on the top. And from there, you would know exactly, you know, like right here where I would pin it. I would know to pin it there, and then you can see whatever lines that you have in the back by using a mirror. So hopefully you guys like this look. Hopefully you like this ASMR hair brushing and hair tutorial, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Like I said, I will try and do these once a week. Hopefully you have a great day or night wherever you are, and if you like it, leave a like, feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later.